Hello everyone, hope you're having a great day. Today we're going to do some more practicing of writing our words, and we're going to be looking at our sounds and our new sound that we learned yesterday, which was B or bat or bug. So that was a really lovely sound. So we're going to do some writing, but first, before we do that, I'm going to play a little game just to have a little revise of our sounds. What I'm going to do is, same as the last day, I'm going to show you some of these cards, and I want you to tell me the starting sound, the sound that the picture starts with. So this one, what is this? It's an envelope, isn't it? Envelope. What sound does it start with? Excellent as well. Next one. Ooh, what is this? Does anybody know what this is, boys and girls? It's a parachute. Can everyone point to the sound that parachute starts with? Parachute. Parachute. Okay. What about this one? So here we're looking at what's up on her head. What does a queen wear on her head? It's a crown. Crown. Now this is a bit of a tricky one because our two k sounds, they have two sounds. So which one do you think it is? Crown. This one. Curly k. Next one. What is this, boys and girls? Very easy. It's an apple, isn't it? Apple. Can you point to the sound it starts with? Super. Let's try this one. Kangaroo. Kangaroo. What about this one? This is a tomato. Tomato. What's the sound it starts with? Try this one. It's a little mouse. Mouse. M for mouse. Excellent. And last one. Ink. 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 Why don't we start to try writing our sounds? So what I want you to do, boys and girls, is I want you to get out your whiteboards and your whiteboard marker, and we're going to start to write some words, okay? So the first word we're going to write is fig. So let's listen out for the sounds in fig. G. Fig. G. What does it start with? Oops. See it a bit better. Right. What's the next one? And what's the last one? G. Fig. Fig. Let's try another one. Should have a little tissue or something, but silly teacher forgot to get something. Okay, let's try the word lap. Lap. So what does it start with? Lap. Yeah, you're right. It starts with a lap. What's the sound in the middle? P. It's an ah. sound at the end? Lap. Right. It's a word. Lap. Okay, let's do another one. The next word is hob. Hob. Up. Let's write it together. It's a h, isn't it? Hob. What's the sound in the middle? It's an ah. Ah. And what's the sound at the end? Hob. It's our new sound. A b, isn't it? Hob. How are we getting on with this, boys and girls? It can be tricky at the start when we're trying to do our writing, but if you keep on practicing your writing on the whiteboards with all your different sounds, it'll become a little bit easier. Okay, let's try another word. What about the word bet? Bet. A new sound, isn't it? It starts with our new sound, a, b. Let's start with one. What about the next sound? Bet. B, e, t. It's our e. What about the sound at the end? Bet. T, t. That's our t. Bet. Excellent. Okay. Now, let me see. This time I'm going to call out a word and you see if you can write it before the teacher writes it, okay? We'll take it nice and slowly. The word is bog. Bog. B, a, g. B, a, g. So the sound at the start is a b. Everybody like that? The next sound in the middle is an a. We have a b at the start and then we have an a. And the sound at the end is a g. Bog. This, isn't it? Let's try like that. We have a b, or a, g. Bog. Did we all get that right, boys and girls? Excellent. Well done. Super work. Okay, let's try the last one we're going to try. You're doing really, really, really great work. The last sound is, or the last word, sorry, is rug. Rug. So it starts with a r, u, g. Start with our then we have an then our final one is a g, rug. Excellent. Oh my goodness, all the sun is coming in my eyes. Well done, boys and girls. That was absolutely fantastic work. And keep on practicing all your letters, all your sounds, and your words, and you'll get better and better every day. Well done.